Andrew Partridge from Michell Wool is with us again for the Country Viewpoint. Andrew, how are you going today?
Yeah, very well, thank you. Yourself?
All right, thanks. We thought there might be a bit more wobble in the market this week. Looks like that's the way it's gone.
Yeah, a little bit of a challenge. We've had a couple of weeks now of larger offerings. There's a little bit of murmurs and rumours in the background that exporters are very busily sort of looking at their credits getting stretched with all this wool they're having to buy the last couple of weeks. We're hearing dumps are a little bit full. So there's a little bit of congestion, a little bit of constipation in the system.
Oh dear, that's nasty. A big bottle of prune juice might be needed for the next week.
I think that might come in a couple of weeks' time. We've got a couple of public holidays and only 2 days sale, so the offerings will drop down a bit and there's a bit of anticipation starting to build.
The old absence makes the heart grow fonder. So how many bales did we actually see up this week? Was it what we were expecting?
A little bit off, yeah. So a little bit withdrawn. Looking at a little bit of negativity about. So sales for the week only got to the 53,000 instead of the 60 that we were predicting. We've got another big market next week of a similar sort of volume, and going by the forecast, the offerings are supposed to come down. But I'm thinking maybe there's still a bit of wool coming through the system. So we're going to be hovering around those 50,000 bale sales for the next few weeks, I believe.
But yet again, it does look like there is still glimmers of hope for the crossbed categories. They seem to have done reasonably well, though.
Yeah, so they're bucking the trend. 28 micron indicators pushing up to 370, and as we alluded to last week, there's a few punters out there that are predicting that trend to continue, and you can forward sell crossbreds at premiums to this market into the spring. So interesting one, that one, yeah, for sure.
And so you're saying there's going to be some sort of funky trading in the next couple of weeks, if I can put it that way, with because of the public holidays, it'll be a tighter couple of weeks? Yeah,
so we'll get a bit restricted in how much wool we can bring forward with those holidays. So, still pushing those mid-40,000 bale sales. But, there's been obviously a bit of a flush of wool with that big rise we had a couple of weeks ago. 21 micron indicator was sort of sitting up around that 1550 level. It's eased back now to about that 1460 level. It seems to be relatively happy around that level at this point of time. So currency sitting around 68 cents gives us about a US level of sort of 1,020 US, which probably doesn't mean a lot to our growers because they get paid in greasy Aussie cents. But I do watch that US conversion quite regularly. And a couple of weeks ago when China got their big spur in the market, the US price they were happy to take was 1,080. So now they're being able to buy 21s at 1,020. So it's a bit more healthy for them. They're a bit more relaxed, a bit more happier to buy.
Yeah, that's an interesting point. I just wondered about something we touch base on every now and then, the non-mulesed wool. There's sometimes a premium on that. How's that been travelling?
Yeah, so it's pretty well steadfast now. It's like a separate market to the traditional market now in Australia, and particularly as we know, South Africa is a large portion of non-mules in their clip over there. It's like 70 or 80% of their clips non-mules over there. So yep. They actually, they're actually got consistent premiums in that market. And yeah, look, when the market's really high, the premiums for non-mules probably decrease a bit. But when the market drops, the actual premiums for non-mules actually are quite healthy.
Right. Well, we've got plenty to pick through those next couple of weeks with the different trading. I guess like you said, the offering is pretty similar this week. So you want to make a call how you think it's going to go next week?
Bit more sideways action, I think. Yeah, we've got a big offering, so just hopefully the exporters got plenty of money still in their bank account to stump up and buy wool. But currency where it is, market dropping back to where it was a couple of weeks ago, bit of sideways action, and then maybe a bit more anticipation, upward trend maybe coming in 3 weeks' time.
All right, we'll see how we travel on that. Andrew Partridge from Michell Wool, thanks for the update today.
Cheers.